Hey guys, me, Shannon and Mackenzie. This is my second video today. I just got home from her house, right? Yeah, sorry. But sorry about my hand. Sorry. So sorry. But today I'm going to show you my slime. So get ready to rumble. So I'm not allowed to take this one out of the container, but as you can see,
it's crunchy.
It's foamy. Yeah, and crunchy.
It actually looks brown on the camera, but it's actually orange.
Yeah, it's actually orange. Sorry, guys.
Is it because of like the tent lighting?
Yeah, it's the tent lighting.
We're actually in the tent right now.
Yeah, like you said before. Also, give this video the thumbs up. Do not thumbs down. I do not want to see thumbs down. And subscribe and smash that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Please. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Sorry, last time I was actually holding on to the thing. Second slime I've got in my vitamin tablet thing. It's actually childproof, but there it is. It's lovely blue. And yeah.
So guys, we're just eating our Mackie Days.
Yeah. And I'm leaning mine up against my chips. And my chicken nuggets.
It's like you're reaching in the It's like you're reaching in the camera. I get one.
Anyway, this slime is really lovely. This is a slime I can only make slime bubbles with.
So,
yeah.
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 Okay, she's weird.
No, I just like dancing.
Comment down
This
below
one
if weird.
is actually mermaid poo, but
it got chucked on the floor by a little kid.
But it's in a mermaid poop box. I put it in there because I lost my mermaid once. And I'm just going to give you a quick review. You know how I said this morning that I would do it whenever I want. I'm only going to be doing it on Fridays, Saturdays, whenever I sleep at hers. I don't know when that would be.
On a Saturday,
I don't know when it would be, so.
Like, I think on a Friday I sleep with hers, and then on a Saturday she sleeps at mine. So I have to do.
And
well, I will be some Saturdays where I won't be able to stay because, like, I do have other cousins who like to stay in my house as well. So.
And also,
who there?
Me, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm just doing a YouTube video for my
Right on.
So, sorry about that, guys. And also, I showed you my squishies. Oh, no, that's not what I was going to say. Sorry,
I'll just Brenda.
And, we haven't been able to do that makeup video. I promised you. I'm sorry, but I don't like makeup on us. Just
show the fighting and everything, but
yeah.
So we'll do it another day.
Yeah, we'll do it another day.
It'll be on my and her channel.
Yep. Sorry, guys. Have to have your Mackie Days.
Why are you making a YouTube video?
That one's yours.
I know.
There. Sorry, that's just my granddad.
Shannon, no.
That is simple.
Okay, that's cool. Do it on you. It cools you down. No, it cools you down. It's cold.
Flip off.
It's cold. It's actually cold.
Sorry about my language, guys, but it's just because, like, I'm cooking.
I'm going to do this to my box.
So it looks like she's going to get a super base off. Look, there's Wonder Woman. Let's have a sleeping bags for tonight.
bad idea.
Bye guys, see ya whenever I do another video.
It's supposed to be tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Bye!
Was that it for a video? Could you not made a longer one?